How to install a mileage filter. Open the glove compartment and remove the side flap. Loosen all screws as shown in the video. There are a total of 6 screws to remove the glove compartment. Open the lower flap to loosen 1 more screw. Now you can take out the glove compartment. Remove a plug on the back. Here you can see the electronic ignition lock. Disconnect the plug from the electronic ignition lock to make it easier to remove. Now remove the purple plug from the electronic ignition lock. Plug our supplied cable into the ignition lock as shown in the video. We will show you how this switch works later in the video. Once everything is connected, the electronic ignition lock can be stowed away again. Stow the module behind the glove compartment. Now replace the glove compartment. The switch must be routed from behind through the hole in the glove compartment. The switch is now easily accessible in the glove compartment. Now screw everything back together. Do not forget any screws. Delete error message after installation. Due to the fact that the electronic ignition lock was disconnected, error messages may appear on the odometer screen. We recommend using an error deletion device to perform a scan to delete the error message from the engine control light. How to activate the blocker. Change modes via smartphone app or press and hold the return button for 10 seconds. Repeat the process to switch from mode to mode. In mode 1, 20 of the actual mileage is counted. The speedometer works without any interference. Lane assist, park distance control, and reversing camera work as usual. The range and average consumption still might not be counted accurately. In mode 2, 0 of the actual mileage is counted. The speedometer works without any interference. Average consumption and range aren't calculated correctly, but the tank level is always accurate. Range works regardless of the tank level. Reversing camera, park distance control, and lane assist don't work properly either. To use these features, turn the device off and everything will work as usual. Other assistance systems work as usual. You can also operate all modes with the CLA Speed app. Connect to the module via Bluetooth. Name your car in the app, select miles or kilometers and the desired mode. You can also count the kilometers driven in the background. You can conveniently choose between the individual modes. Kilometer filter in action. Head-up display is fully functional. The lane departure warning system and cruise control work without restrictions. To use the AMG button for the driving modes, switch to Mode 3. Turn off the car and set the switch in the glove compartment to 2. Then open the door once and start the engine. You can then change modes using the rotary switch on the steering wheel. In this setting, the kilometers are counted again. You can now use the Sport Plus mode to hear the sound of your car and drive in a sporty manner. If you want to stop the kilometers again, simply switch back to Mode 1 or 2. We wish you lots of fun with the device. From now on, you can drive without limits.